G'day, we've got the Janome 669 sewing machine. I know absolutely nothing about sewing machines, so I don't even know if this thing works or not. As you can see, it plugs in and powers up. The light there is still working. This thing opens, yep. There's the inside of it there. There we go. Got this opening in the bottom there. And then there's this little spot here with spare needles and bits and pieces. Alright, there's the back of it. And for some reason it won't work. I don't know how to work these things. I don't know if I've just got the settings wrong or not, but this is what happens. It's got the foot pedal there with it as well. This is what happens when you hit the foot pedal. So it just sounds like a wrong setting or something. I don't know, it could actually be broken. Might be. And it comes with the lid as well. There we go, the Janome 669.